that. And she swallowed it. That is a monster. Hi there everybody, Trevor Randles Outdoors Iowa here, and today I'm going to give you a quick little video of a nice little trick that I've got for if you're ice fishing in some high winds. So if you have a tub style shelter, so a flip over shelter, a suitcase style, anything like that, this will work for you. If you have ice anchors, you'll need those. So what I've done is you can buy the parts for, not including the ice anchors, you can buy all the parts for less than 20 bucks to be able to do this. And all it requires is to drill a couple holes, put some bolts in. So what I do is, here's my otter flip over. This is the back of it right here. And then you got the sides. So I buy these little truck tie downs. They just kind of flip up. It's like a D-loop tie down. And I put them on all three sides of the tub. And whenever you're in high wind, you put the wind to your back. And then you run an anchor out in the ice, you know, a couple feet back on each side. And you connect them. Well, originally, I had these little plastic strap tie downs, and I just picked up some cam buckle straps, which I'm still looking at maybe changing it out, doing something a little different. I might try to use a couple pieces of rope and some snaps, but you're able to take and hook one end of the strap. Now if I can get some shorter cam buckles, this will work even better. These I just bought tonight. But you take and you can hook your cam buckle to the D-loop, the tie down, and then you hook the other end to your ice anchor, and then you pull her tight. And so then on a flip over, when you do that, you'll be anchored on three sides. And then if you have all your wind pulls out, it holds the front down. And it makes it so that shelter, I mean, I've been in 40-mile-an-hour winds like that, no problem. I mean, it moves the shelter around a little bit, like the fabric and everything, but it holds really well. So a lot better than chasing your shelter, all of a sudden get a big wind gust and you go flying across the lake. But it'll work for suitcase style shelters too. A lot of people have problems with those. They don't have really any way to anchor unless you run an anchor right through the floor. So that's a really handy way to do it. And I mean, you don't have to drill too many holes, and you don't have to drill holes in the very bottom of the sled, so it doesn't hurt too much. And it's well worth it. But I thought that would be a neat little trick for you guys. Ice fishing's pretty much here. We got some safe ice here in central Iowa, and I'll be out there on it as soon as possible. Be getting the shack ready here soon, and hopefully everything will go good and we can have some good safe ice for a while. So hope to see you guys out there, and good luck to you all, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys later.